You want to be successful? Don't chase money. So if you go to YouTube and search for how to make money from home, or how to become rich, or how to be successful, or how to start a business, you will see a lot of videos of people telling you the quickest way or how to make money without doing anything. That's a lot of bull. Don't let them lie to you, because the best way for you to make money and be successful is to do what you like to do.
What if being lazy is what I love to do?
And let me give you an example. Let's say that you are a musician, but you like playing guitar and other instruments, but you want to make money, and somebody convince you to become something that you don't like, and because it's the quickest way for you to make money. It might work, which I really doubt that it will.
Used to be a musician without prospects. Now I'm a musician without prospects and money. And I think I'm going to jail too.
But you know, why not do something that you really like or enjoy doing? Like, for example, you can do tutorials on how to play certain songs, and then you can do memberships to do like teach step by step how to play music, or you can sell merch, other stuff that you can come up with.
Hey, you guys want to buy my merch? It's really soft.
Let's go.
And here's another example. Let's just say that you are a gym freak. You like to go to the gym a lot. Well, here's another example. Let's say that you have an audience and you make videos, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, and then you have an audience which follows you and does everything that you tell them to do. Well, you can build with AI a calculator, a calorie tracker that you can sell to your audience. It is so simple. You no longer need to be a computer coder or computer programmer, whatever. You don't have to know a lot of that. You just gotta know the basics. Just go use AI and you can build a calculator, and you can sell that calculator or even customized calculator to your audience for a price or for membership. That is another great idea for you. I mean, just my point here is, do not let other people tell you which is the easiest way for you to do become successful or make money. The best way for you, and rarely someone will tell you this, is for you to do what you really like to do. There's stuff that I like to do with AI, you know, like digital products. I also love passive income. It is full of that on YouTube. You know, people want to make money without doing anything, but I just laugh at it because everyone is chasing that, and probably maybe 1% or 2% of that audience actually does do something and become successful. The rest will most likely fail because they're not really chasing what they really like. And the best way for you to make money is to monetize what you'd like to do. You gotta see it. There's always something that you can do to make money from what you like to do. That is just my personal opinion. You don't have to follow it, but again, I'm just telling you how it is. Anyway, guys, I appreciate if you give this video a like. Also, if you can give it a hype, since I am a small YouTuber, I'm trying to grow this channel, and I'm doing some other stuff, but you know, I'm trying to grow this channel. So I appreciate if you give it a like, subscribe, also share it with your friends. I will be uploading soon stuff that I like to do and how I make money from the real world out there, not the one that everyone tells you it's so easy. No, it is not easy. So yeah, I will show you all of that.